Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to rename order status processing in any other custom text like order placed or placed order in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page and then you see order status processing. Now go to dashboard and we are in order section. Here also you see processing. So we are going to change it. So we will add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see status WC processing and then you see order placed. So you can add your custom text here. So we are going to change processing order status text to order placed. Now scroll down. Here you see order placed also and then you see here order placed. If you want you can add text according to your requirement and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down you see insert method auto install location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. Go to my account page. Now you see order status processing. Now refresh the page. Now you see order status processing changed to order placed in my account page. Now go to order section. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down and you see text is changed here also. You see order placed. Now back to code and you will find code in video description or in comment section. And if you want you can add your custom text here instead of order placed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.